What's up guys, it's your boy GT here, back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna review this Edocar right here, a Jaguar XK8. There you go, sent to me by Paramin. And yeah, that's right, for those who have watched my main channel video, these are not the only Edocars that he sent me, but this one as well. And this one is not that bad, this looks pretty cool right here. So it comes with this nice green paint, like the Jaguar, the dark green that you always see on a Jaguar, like for example the F-Type and whatnot. It looks really cool, really cool. On the rear we have no rear light tempos, which is as we all seen from the video. Details is not the specialty of Edocar, but you do see a Jaguar and XK8 logo right on the rear. And on the front, oh, surprising, we got a front light tempos. And other than that, there's nothing much to this car. It doesn't have rubber tires, no metal base, but I don't know, the simplicity of this casting is what makes it kind of nice. It's a really pleasing car to look at. Look at that. It's just what, a roadster, or what's the proper term for a car without a roof? Roadster, spider, cabriolet. Okay, yeah, I'm having a brain fart once again, guys. I'm so sorry, but you guys get the idea. You can see the interior very nicely detailed, and the car overall, and I think it's a really cool car. But from a scale of 1 to 10, I'll have to rate this I don't know, 8.5 out of 10. It's just a really cool looking car. There's something about this car that I really like. So yeah, that's all for this review. And Paramin, once again, thank you for sending me this car right here.